Imagine standing in a quiet, polished showroom where time feels like it has slowed down. In front of you sits a car that doesn't just belong to history, it defines an era. The smooth curves of its body reflect the soft lights above, and every line tells a story of ambition, craftsmanship, and the American dream. This is not just metal and chrome. This is a memory on wheels. The first thing that captures your attention is the shape. Rounded, elegant, and confident, the design feels alive, as if the car is breathing. In the 1950s, America was dreaming big, and this car looks like it was born from those dreams. The wide front end, the bold grille with its signature smile of chrome, and the gentle slope of the hood all speak of optimism. This was a time when cars were not only built to drive, but to inspire. As your eyes move along the body, the paint stands out. That soft, vintage blue feels calm and powerful at the same time. It reflects an era when colors were chosen to make statements, when a car's appearance mattered just as much as its performance. The finish looks smooth enough to run your hand across without feeling a single flaw, a reminder of the patience and skill that went into creating machines like this. The chrome details shine proudly, catching the light from every angle. Back then, chrome was more than decoration. It was confidence. It said this car was built to last, built to be admired, and built to stand out on any road it touched. The bumpers, the grille, the trim along the sides all come together like jewelry on a finely tailored suit. Then there are the headlights, round and expressive, almost like eyes looking out at the world. They seem ready to guide the driver through endless highways, late-night drives, and unforgettable journeys. In an age before digital screens and sensors, these lights were the guardians of the road, cutting through darkness with determination. Look at the white wall tires and you can almost hear the soft hum they would make rolling down a long American highway. These tires weren't just functional, they were a symbol of style. Paired with polished wheels, they give the car a grounded yet elegant stance, reminding us that beauty and strength can exist together. Step closer and imagine opening the door. The sound would be solid and reassuring, not light or hollow. Inside, the cabin would welcome you with wide seats, likely upholstered in soft materials designed for comfort rather than speed. This was a car made for cruising, for long conversations, for shared laughter between family and friends. It was built for road trips, not rushes. The dashboard would stretch out smoothly, simple yet proud, with analog gauges that told their stories without glowing screens or digital alerts. Every needle, every dial would move with purpose. Driving this car would feel like a conversation between human and machine, not a command issued to a computer. Think about the era this car came from. Post-war America was rebuilding, expanding, and believing in the future. Cars like this represented freedom. They represented the ability to go anywhere, to start fresh, to chase opportunity beyond the horizon. Owning such a vehicle was not just transportation, it was a statement of success and hope. This car likely witnessed countless moments. First dates, family vacations, late-night drives under open skies, quiet moments parked outside a home after a long day. It carried dreams, conversations, and emotions, all absorbed into its metal and leather. Even now, sitting still, it feels full of stories. What makes this vehicle truly special is how it connects generations. Older viewers might remember seeing cars like this on the road, while younger audiences see it as a symbol of a legendary past. It reminds us that design once focused on personality, on making machines feel human and expressive. In today's world of sharp edges and digital minimalism, this car stands as a reminder that elegance can be soft, that power doesn't need to be aggressive, and that beauty can be timeless. It doesn't shout for attention, yet it commands it effortlessly. This image is more than a photograph. It's a window into a time when cars were dreams made real, when the road ahead felt endless and full of promise. Looking at this classic beauty, you don't just see a vehicle, you feel an era. You feel the spirit of innovation, freedom, and pride that defined American automotive history. And even now, decades later, this car still speaks. It tells us that some designs never fade, some dreams never age, and some machines become legends the moment they touch the road.